made slime and it was so much fun. Really?
Please remember to stay 6 feet apart and as we make our way through the mall.
Avery, ¿qué vas a hacer?
I'm gonna do slime.
Let's see this one because it's small.
This one is está más chiquita.
What's your name? Avery? Alright, Avery, my name is Autumn, okay? You're gonna grab your beaker, Avery. Here, this is your beaker. This whole thing is called your beaker. You're gonna come over here with me.
Go there, Annie.
Alright, so to make slime, the first thing we need to add is glue, right? Alright, so we're gonna add your glue. What color do you want to make your slime, Avery?
Pink.
Pink? Alright.
Pink sparkles.
Pink sparkles? Well, you can take the sparkles after you make your slime, okay? Alright, here you go. You're gonna take that back to your station and mix it up, okay?
I just have to mix it up.
Mix it? Okay.
What do you think? Do you like that color? Or do you want a darker pink?
This is good.
It's good? Okay, so now that we have the color that you want, what are we gonna add to make your glue turn into slime? Do you know what it's called? No, we're gonna add some activator. Okay, so you're gonna keep mixing while I add in the activator, right? So start mixing for me. And then as you're mixing, it's just you should feel it start turning into slime. Let's see, is it making slime? Is it getting thick yet? Huh, Avery? Whoa, look, keep mixing. Yes, turning into slime, keep mixing. Do you want some help? Yeah? Let's add a little bit more activator. We'll add some to too. Alright, ready? Now you're going to take your hand like this, put it in your slime, and go round and round in a circle like that, really fast. Mix it up fast as you can. Good, use both hands even if you want. Now mix, mix, mix.
Oh my god, that's so weird.
Avery, are you having fun?
Yeah. I love words.
You're mixing it. Keep doing what she told you, baby.
Just mix it up in your hands. And the more you mix it up, the less sticky it'll be, okay?
And then I can put my glitter.
Exactly. There you go. You're going to slime back a little bit. Did you guys want to make some slime or you just having a look around? Nice slime. first and wash your hands with soap and water, okay?
Look, Avery. Right here.
I can pick 2 items.
Yep. Any two you want.
Sure.
Let me see. Oh, this is sparkling. Let me see. Let me see that. I feel like this and this.
Okay.
Bring the whole book to your station.
Okay.
Woo!
You're gonna put 1 scoop of each.
One scoop.
1 scoop of this too, right? One scoop. I'm done.
Okay. Put it back.
Now just pick your piece, your station where you want to make
Now
your
just
pasta.
wait. Let me put these little wooden. It's really putting beautiful. Now I just have to make stuff. I don't.
Oh, wait, here.
You like my teeth?
There you go. Now I'm gonna fold it over, fold it up, and mix it all, okay?
Wow.
Here, mix this in to me, Andrew. I'm gonna make it a little less sticky, okay?
Okay.
All right, go ahead, mix that in there. Is the color okay, or do you want a little bit darker?
He's wet. Feels more stickier than ever. Oh, it's not sticking to your hands anymore.
No.
Mommy, look. Huh?
Squeeze it, squeeze it.
Wow. There's so much food.
Yeah, you gotta pop out the bubbles. You want to try it again, Avery?
Yeah.
Go try one more time and we'll go to the next part, okay?
Okay.
Let's see. Nice and slow, okay?
Wow. I see all the sparkles.
All the foam beads, right?
Wow. So cool. Bubble. Here. This is fun.
I was saying we'll leave that there. Okay, ready, Avery? So now you're gonna put your slime. Well, I'll put it in there. Just mix that up for me, okay? Well, we're gonna put some more slime, but it's not gonna go in here. Keep mixing. Mix it. All the way up the bottom, the side.
Alright.
We're gonna mix it even more.
You put your slime on the end of your stick, right? Hold on, let me show you. I'm gonna put your slime on the end of your stick, Avery. And you're gonna take it, you're gonna throw it like that, as hard as you can at the wall, okay? But don't let go of the stick, just fling your slime. Alright? You ready? Or you need me to tell you what to do again?
You got it, Avery?
You ready?
You got it?
Alright, show me how you're gonna throw it. You gotta throw it as hard as you can. Show me how you're gonna do it. Show me how you gonna throw it. Show me your arm. You gonna throw it like this?
How are you gonna do
Now
it?
how you gonna do it? Yeah, like that, but harder, okay?
But don't let go of the thing, okay?
Here you go. As hard as you can. Oh, nice! It went in the ceiling. On the corner over there. You see it?
Avery?
You see your pink on the ceiling over there? Look, there's still, and you just drip some on the floor too. Your slime is everywhere now, Avery. Here, look. Go ahead. How cool. Now you can grab your slime, and there's some photo props right there. And you guys can use it to take pictures back here, wherever. Okay?
Alright, thank you.
Yep, I'm gonna turn on the light.
Okay. Okay, stand right there.
These look like real bricks.
Pon la crown.
Yeah, to the side. To the side, Annie. See, right there. And then do one with your side. Yeah. Alright, keep doing it. Excited.
Here, here's an
There's this one.
look, this one.
Wow, look at this one.
Okay.
Wait, I'm not ready. Wait, I'm not ready.
Okay.
Now take a picture of my slime.
Okay. Oh.
Wait, where's my thing? What thing? The keychains.
Avery,
What do you think?
did you like it?
Awesome.
2 thumbs up?
Thumbs up. And look, I made pink slime.
Show them. Oh, how wonderful. All right. Okay, Daddy.
Okay, Avery.
That's a wrap. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
See you next time.
Subscribe to my channel. Bye.